Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's begin our Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today it was an amazing day, I guess, for everyone, uh, because both Nifty and Bank Nifty they fell continuously. Though we did not anticipate such a big fall today, but if you remember yesterday, both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, I had given you some important levels. So firstly, let's quickly check about Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, I had told you that if we break 37,264, okay, then our immediate target is going to be 36,844. So this was that line. So as soon as we broke it, we immediately came to our the weekly support. Okay, and here the target was achieved, and also I had mentioned this in my Telegram channel. But surprisingly, Bank Nifty broke this level, and in fact it went up till 36,400. But if you see, this weekly support was an important level, though it went down, but finally it came up and closed above that particular level. So that's why this level was important, and still it remains to be as an important level. So if we quickly check out Nifty, let's check that even too. So Nifty was continuously in the falling mode from morning. So I had told you that if we break 17,525 or 17,500, I told you our immediate target would be 17,285. So this is something which I mentioned in my Telegram channel, that no one would have given you such a big target, despite the previous big fall in Nifty. So this was a target which we planned in the yesterday's video, and this was that particular level. The target was easily hit, and this was our weekly support, 17,155. So market took support at 17,000 and closed somewhere close to the weekly support. Sorry. So this was the market action today in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's see what should be the plan for tomorrow. Okay, so first let's quickly check the data like we always do. So the first thing is participant wise OI. So if you look at the participant wise OI data, FIIs have closed future long. So whatever long that they have, they're just closing it, and they have created about 10,000 short positions in future, and pros have created long positions and created very little short positions. If we look at call options, so FIs have call longs more and shorts are comparatively less. And if we look at pros, the call long is less comparatively the call shorts. And also if you look at puts, FIs are holding good number of put long, and the put short is very little. And if you get pros, we have 36,000 put long and 34,000 put short, so which is quite similar. So FIIs are short in future. Okay, so future they are short, so let's consider like this. And so this is FIIs, and options, they are long both in call as well as put. That means uh, volatility both side move. So why do you think that they predict both side move? It is because, see, today India VIX almost increased up by 25%, and that's too much. And the expiry is on Thursday, and Wednesday we have a holiday on occasion of Republic Day. Okay, so just 2 days for expiry, that is Tuesday and Thursday. So in this 2 days, if you look at ATM premium, ATM premium is trading more than 900 rupees. So they have to bring this premium down. Okay, and there are only 2 days. So definitely Tuesday and Thursday, the market has to remain sideways so that the premium can be controlled and can be brought down, and eventually the OTM premium becomes zero. So for this, definitely tomorrow and Thursday, the market is going to be highly volatile with a bigger range and sideways. So trapping a lot of buyers are definitely possible. Okay, and if you look at pros position, they have call shots. Okay, so they are bearish in the market, but not expecting a down move with momentum is what we can understand. Okay, so this should be the plan for tomorrow. So if I have to put it in a summary, then what we can do is move will be sideways with a big range. Okay, sideways with a big range, definitely volatile, so definitely volatile, and delta decay moves are expected, and market will definitely have that downside pressure. Okay, this downside pressure is due to the call sell from pros and future shorts from FIIs. So market is not going to make a very significant up move at least. So any upside that you get, you can use it as an opportunity to short. So sell on rise. So that should be your plan. So keep this in mind for this week. Now let's move to option chain. There is nothing much to actually discuss in the option chain because it is quite clear that since the market was one side, you definitely know that there are put exits, and we would only have call shots in our chart and no put shots. So if you want, I can still show you all. Just a moment. Okay, it is refreshing. Yeah, it's done. So this is our OI chart. So it is clearly visible that no put writing happened today. We can only see people exiting their puts, and we have heavy call writing that has happened today. And even the overall call and put OI, it has reduced significantly. And similarly, if we look at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is a little different. So we definitely have put exits, but overall there are still put shorts remaining in the market. So Bank Nifty, definitely you would have understood that it is slightly bullish than what Nifty is. Hence the data is also different from Nifty. So now let's quickly discuss about the charts and see what should be the plan for tomorrow. See, so the first thing to notice here is, let me just hide these levels first. See, Nifty is coming down heavily. Okay, so the gains which started from here, from around 16,400, looks like most of it is just wiped off. Okay, and it still looks under pressure, and there is still room for Nifty to come down. But the only thing for today is it's a very big candle. Okay, so if we check the high and low, the high is almost around 17,600 and the low is around 17,000. Okay, so it's a 600 point candle. So since we moved 600 points today and we just have 2 days for expiry, and considering the option premiums, definitely we cannot expect again a big move, at least for this week. So the possibility is we may see a couple of inside candles. So wherever it opens, we may see, candles like this, and another candle maybe like this even during the expiry. So anticipating 2 inside candles. So any up move that you get, you can use it for selling in case if you want to take a directional trade. But otherwise, even strangles or straddles could do, but preferably in bank Nifty, because Nifty looks a little weaker. There is a possibility that it may break the range even on an expiry day. So we'll discuss about that. So let's check out Bank Nifty's daily candle. But if you look at Bank Nifty's daily candle, we can see some buying pressure that came in the last 1.5 hour. So we can see a really big wick over here. So that means Bank Nifty is still looking a little bullish. But again, we can expect a couple of inside candles within this range, because Bank Nifty's range was also too much. The high was 37,694, so consider 37,700. The low is almost 36,375, which is consider 36,400. So which is about 700 plus another 400, which is 1,100 points. So that's too much, right? So next 2 days, hoping the market to be violent, volatile, but within this high and low of the candle. So let's quickly move to the shorter time frame, moving to 15 minutes, activating all my lines. Okay, so now what should be the plan? If you remember, yesterday I had told you this is a very important support, 37,264. Okay, so it broke this level, hence we saw a tremendous fall. So now this level will act as a resistance. So 37,264 is going to be our resistance. So I'll change the color of this line so that it looks like a resistance there. So tomorrow, any up move to this level can definitely be used as a shorting opportunity. So if we get Bank Nifty here, definitely we will buy put option here. Okay, and in case if you see Bank Nifty coming down within this range, so mark a line here. This entire region becomes a no trade zone. Okay, so what is going to be the no trade zone? That is 36,840 to 36,400. This area is a no trade zone. We will not trade anything here, because see, there was a sharp recovery from this place, and definitely we know that FIs are holding call long, and in fact pros are holding future longs. So definitely they'll not allow the market to come down heavily now. Okay, this is one of the reason. And secondly, we do not have a very strong scope even on the upside. So upside we have a resistance. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is, in case if I get market at 37,264, I'm going to buy a put option. And if we cross this level, obviously we'll reach 264, but I'm not interested in trading this range, but rather I would try and trade a put option here. So there is a possibility market may come down like this, or may open gap down, and it may travel higher with momentum, and then it may do some time pass here and then come down slightly with some momentum and close somewhere here. So this is the possibility that I'm expecting tomorrow. So this is my view for Bank Nifty. So since it was the day for option buyers today, definitely the next 2 days it is going to be option sellers day, and please do not uh, give away the profits that you made today. Now let's quickly check out Nifty as well. So remember, in Bank Nifty, today's low is going to act as a support, and I'm sure that they are not going to breach this support at least for this week. So maybe from Friday onwards we can uh, trade those zones. We are already in a dangerous territory at the moment, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so close below 37,000 has already put Bank Nifty into pressure, and similarly Nifty, as soon as it broke 17,155, it is under selling pressure. So there is more scope for downside in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, but not sure how much Bank Nifty would fall, but Nifty definitely has some room. But the only thing that you need to keep in mind is today's buying pressure or today's support that we saw in the market in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty halted at 17,000 and Bank Nifty halted at 37,375. So these place is going to act as a crucial support for this week. So I'm sure they'll not break it either tomorrow or maybe even during the expiry day. So keep this in mind. So for Nifty, again, so this area, which is 17,155, so 17,155 to today's low, which is 17,000, this becomes a no trade zone. So whatever happens, it opens gap down, it opens gap up, or it opens flat, in this area we're not going to trade. Okay, so in case if we get Nifty again at 17,285, okay, then this is again a very good area to buy a put option. So keep this in mind, but avoid trading tomorrow. If you guys know how to trade short straddle or short strangles, that would make wonders tomorrow, especially in Bank Nifty, because definitely you will see movements like this tomorrow. So these kind of movements is known as delta decay moves. So this is to control the premiums that has risen up so heavily today. So keep this in mind. No put on the downside. This is strictly no. Only if we get put at our desired levels is where we'll buy put, and not suggesting call option, because uh, a lot of call options did not fall today because of the increasing wicks. So when market keeps on falling heavily, then the call option doesn't fall enough. So definitely you will see a lot of call decay happening tomorrow. So that would create a problem. So but in case if you wish to take a buy trade, definitely if this swing crosses, you can definitely take a buy trade, but I would suggest you to try it in Bank Nifty rather than in Nifty. So this is my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video, and there are a lot of people who have still not joined the Telegram group. Please do join the Telegram channel, because there would be some updates which I may share in the Telegram channel rather than uh, doing it in YouTube. For example, a lot of people come up with some doubts with some particular stocks which I analyze. So for small things, it becomes difficult for me to record a video. So in case if you guys can join the Telegram channel, I can put that as an update over there, so it becomes easier for me as well to keep things posted. And one more thing, there is another data which is missing, which I haven't received yet. So once that comes, I may put that in the group to. So I'll tell you what happens with that data basically, so you can understand either Nifty or Bank Nifty, which is the one uh, which is going to move tomorrow. So once that data comes, I'll definitely update in the Telegram group. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.